That, people, looks like a little gator slide. I don't see tracks, but I think that's what that is. This is what they do. They build little, y'all know that's what it is. I can see how these are broken. They dig their way in, and then they kind of like chill, like under the little canopy thing. And I know gators are here because this is where I seen the babies at that one time. That's why I'm not too close to the water. Because now that I know they use it for nesting, if you get too close, you are in a very dangerous spot. And I have my mask on, by the way, so my voice sounds muffled. It's because of my stupid COVID-19 mask. Looks like there's cool birds up here. Hold on. Make sure I know what I'm looking at. Where's he at? Can't see him. Oh, there he goes. Hold on. He blended in with everything. Oh, I do see a baby alligator. Okay, look. See, that's what I was talking about. You gotta be careful around here. There goes the baby right there. See, but the thing about if you see a baby, that means mommy is in here. I'm almost somewhat too close. I want to get a picture real quick. Hold on. I want to get closer so you guys can see his colors better. That's a baby alligator. But I know if I get too close, his mom is somewhere around here. I just seen where I think she probably had a nest at. But there goes the baby right there. He's so still, like, and I'm pretty close actually, closer than what I should be. But I somewhat know what I'm looking for a little bit. It's only one this time. There he goes, hold on. He's little now, but he will be a beast in a couple years. Told you guys I'm an animal magnet. This is crazy. See that?